Hey everybody, today we are back at Mesa RV in Port St Lucie, Florida, and we are going to be looking at this Ace Class A from THOR. This is model number 33.1, so let's get to it. All right, so right when you walk in the door, just to the right is the cockpit. And so what's really neat about these kind of coaches is that when you're driving, even when the slides are all in, you're able to get back to the kitchen. Hey Lisa.
Hi.
How are you? I'm good, and you?
Good.
Yeah, so, if you're driving and you want a snack, your passenger, Lisa can get up and come back here to the refrigerator and grab a drink, grab a snack. Or let's say, you're driving down the road and can't stop for whatever reason, you want a sandwich, you can make a quick sandwich, all right?
That's right.
So let's go back up here to the front. So as I said, this is the cockpit. It's built on a Ford chassis, so not a lot different here. You do have sort of your digital display there. What's neat in the passenger seat area though is that's kind of like a big desk, so the passenger can write, work on the computer, edit our videos. I do all the editing, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, there's also a little stand there. You can put a table. These chairs, when you get to where you're going, will swivel around, and so you can actually add a table right there, which is kind of neat. And so you have another area to sit, okay? Speaking of sitting, right there you got some theater chairs, which are nice. They do recline. And when you're sitting across from them, you got a nice big TV right there. So that's awesome. Underneath the TV, there's another sofa, like a little love seat, but that folds out to become a bed. Now, speaking of beds, if you look above the cockpit, there is another bed. I think they call it like a hide-a-bed. Now, it's electric. I shot some video, so hopefully the video is rolling right now of it going down. Okay, so there's a key and a button right there. So you just hit that button right there and it goes down. All right, so on the other side over here, the sofa, you've got your dinette. Now this dinette also folds down to become a bed as well. Now there's some storage down here underneath the banquette here, right? Nice drawers, which are kind of cool. There's also some power underneath here for you plugging things in, which is neat. And another TV. And so let's say you're sitting here. You don't want to hit that TV right there. So you could watch TV right here. I think there's TVs everywhere in this thing. All right. Cabinetry. We haven't covered much of that yet. Above your little theater seating here, you've got cabinets, and they're on struts, so they hold themselves open. See the little struts right there? So that's kind of neat. So you got cabinets here. There's cabinets above the dinette when we were over there. So the kitchen.
There's also lots of overhead storage in the kitchen.
Ooh, and they're adjustable too.
Yes.
I love that.
And there's lots of storage underneath as well.
Oh, wow, look how big that is.
Right?
Oh, and they give you 2 trash cans.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yay.
That's like $200 worth of trash cans.
Exactly. And we have
Holy moly!
drawers.
1, 2, 3. How many remotes does one need?
Well, that depends on how many TVs you have.
Right?
There's a lot of TVs in here.
There are a lot of TVs in here. Holy moly. All right, this is a nice little pull-out for your sponge and stuff. It's a nice deep sink. It really is.
It is. And I like that it's offset just a little bit, so
Yeah.
you're not completely turning your back to everybody that's over here. You can see them a little bit when you're in the kitchen area.
Yep.
There's a nice 3-burner stove and oven.
Nice.
And overhead we have a microwave. Well, I've already showed you the refrigerator, so I'm going to show you the freezer now.
Nice.
Yeah, so there's 2 places that you can adjust the shelf in there.
Excellent. Storage above that.
Yes, and I love the storage here.
Oh, look at the pull-out drawers.
Yeah,
That's nice.
They're really deep, so lots of room for pantry
Oh yeah.
items.
Again, remember y'all, I'm 6'4". Let me see. Oh God. My whole arm is in there and I'm just getting to the back. Yeah, that is really deep.
Yes, it is.
All right. And then you know what time it is, right?
It's time for
Thomas Toilet Test.
The setup of this bathroom is awesome. All right. There's plenty of room. If you're a tall guy, remember again, I'm 6'4". There is plenty of leg room in here. There's plenty of shoulder room and arm room. Everything, this is great. So this is definitely, now right next to the toilet you have your sink. This is not under counter mat, but again, it's okay. But what it does have is a nice big counter space. Lots of room to put, you know, whatever you want up there, whether it's your razors or your toothbrushes or whatever.
Toiletries.
Yeah, toiletries, that's right, right? All right, underneath, got a little bit of storage there. To the right of the toilet, there's some storage down there as well. And then you got cabinetry all up above here. So you can put extra stuff in there, right, and your towels and different things. You got a hanging bar here, you got a hanging bar here. It's really nice. So let's climb in that shower. I don't think I really need to, but I will, because it's what we do. Hey, this is plenty tall for me. There's plenty of leg room, left and right and front and back, and this is great. The shower, it's not the glass doors that I don't like. This is a little bit different. It is more of the traditional type shower enclosure material, you know, like your, but it's not the glass. I'm just not fond of the glass.
That's a shower nozzle.
The what?
The shower nozzle.
You mean the shower head?
Yeah.
The shower head's great. In the perfect position, right? I mean, I don't have to duck one bit.
Nice.
It's awesome. So this is definitely... So the bedroom. This is a nice king bed. Come on in here, Lisa. Right? Plenty of room. You've got USB outlets on the left and the right. You've got some, right over there. This, by the way, that's your ladder to get to the hide-a-bed up in the front. So there's some nice cabinets above for storage, which is great. And if you did notice, even down here, there are some nooks to the rest. So if you're charging your phone, you want to tuck it in the little nook right there. That would be pretty nice, right? And then across from the bed, you've got your TV up there. There's a nice little station. You could actually make this a bedroom coffee bar. If you're really, you know, you don't want to walk the 9 feet, you know, that way, you could set up a little coffee bar in here. Right. You got some drawers for storage. Over here to the right, there's also 2 big drawers, and then you've got this huge wardrobe, right? Hanging bar goes all the way down there, right? Now, oh, by the way, remember I talked about the table that was up front by the driver's area? So there you go. This pole just slides into that little hole. Normally it would live right there. And then your tabletop. So it's really neat. Now this is what I would call your entry-level Class A. It is not a diesel pusher, it is gasoline. It is built on a Ford motor chassis. And we're just gonna give you a brief kind of look on the outside. As you see, there's a nice electric awning. So you just have to push a button, it opens, and you've got LED lights up there, which is awesome. Now, it does have your frameless windows, which is really nice. There are some storage bays underneath, but unlike traditional, like, you know, bigger diesel pushers that are on commercial chassis, the storage bays are a lot smaller. There's another storage here. There is a nice TV permanently mounted outside, which is great. Over here, this compartment, this is where you would get your propane filled. There's another, this is where your hydraulics are and your batteries. This one here is storage. Your water fill in the back of your hot water heater are there. Now when you get to the back of the coach, you see there is a ladder, so you can climb to the top to service the roof and do your inspections. There's a camera already on there. It's hard to see, it's right there, a little camera. There is a hitch, so you can tow a trailer. I'm unsure of the towing capacity. I'll figure it out and let you guys know. And as I said, this is gas, and so your tank fill is right there. Now this side's got a couple of slides. They are Schwintek slides. There's one there, one up in the front. And what's nice is they have awnings over the top of them, which is great. Okay. Here is where you connect your power if you're connected to shore power. Now there is a generator on board. It's in one of these compartments right here. Like I said, I didn't open them all up for you. I apologize. So as I said, this is a nice, what I would call starter Class A coach. All right, so what did you think of this Class A? Again, this is your basic entry-level type Class A. It's built on a Ford chassis. It is gas. I got your gas power. Range is around $110,000, if you will, sort of in that range. It might be different from dealer to dealer. But it has everything you need. It's very spacious. It had like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 TVs for Pete's sake. It sleeps like 20 people. I don't know what else you need. No, I like the hide a bed above the driver's seat. I think that's kind of a neat thing. We've seen that before in others. But from a beginner coach, the quality is not bad, guys. So let us know what you think. Do you already have an Ace or a Class A like this? Give us your thoughts and let us know what your experiences are with it. We'd love to hear about it, okay? Just leave a comment down there. All right, until the next time, everyone, be safe.